Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we are going to solve this given system of equations by substitution method. To get a full understanding of this topic, please watch this video till the very end for additional practice problem. So in the very first step, we are going to give the name to equation number 1 and 2. I'm going to call the top equation by 1 and the second one by equation number 2. Now let's look at this equation number 2. Here I can isolate x, and here I'm going to do this thing. I'm going to say isolate x in equation 2. This is the way we're going to do. Let's write down equation 2 over here, x minus y equals to 4. And now since we want to isolate x, I want you to move this negative y on the other side. So this is simply going to become x equal to 4, and then this negative y becomes positive y. So this, I want to call this equation as number 3. Now in the next step, we are going to plug this x value in equation number 1. So I'm going to say simply plug this x value, whatever we got, this x value in equation number 1. Let's get started then. So this is simply going to our equation number 1 is simply x plus y equal to 14, and we know that x has this value, you can see over here. So wherever you see x, I am going to replace it by 4 plus y and then plus y equals to 14. So we can open up this parentheses, 4 plus y equal to 14. So this is going to become 4 plus, combine these two like terms, becomes 2y equal to 14. Let's move this 4 on the other side. So this, we are going to get 2y equal to 14 minus 4. And if we go any further, so this is going to become 2y. 14 minus 4 is 10. Let's divide both sides by 2. That means y turns out to be simply 5. Now we're going to plug it in this y equal to 5 value in equation number 3 to get our x value. So I'm going to say plug y equal to 5 value in equation 3. So our equation number 3 is simply x equal to 4 plus y, as you can see over here. So let's plug it in right now. So this is going to give us x equals to 4 plus y value is 5, isn't it? So x is going to become 4 plus 5 is 9. Thus our solution turns out to be x equal to 9 and y equal to 5. You can also put it in a different notation in ordered pair like 9 comma 5, and that is our answer. And here is your assignment. Can you do this problem on your own? You can take your time, you can pause the video. Luckily, I have already uploaded this video as well. Please go ahead and check it out and see the correct answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.